Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Omar, and today we're gonna do some bridge fishing. Picked up some fiddlers this morning. It's about 10 a.m. so we're gonna pull up on this structure and see if we can find some sheepshead, maybe some black drum, maybe redfish. So we'll give them a shot today. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, a little bit of a windy day, so hopefully we can power through some of this wind and get on a bite today. We've got about 4.5 hours to fish. Hopefully we can make something happen. It's about 55 degrees right now, supposed to go up to about 60, 65, and then drop this evening back in the 40s. Temperature should be just right for these sheepies. This is a 1/2 ounce bottom sweeper jig, 20-pound fluorocarbon as leader, 20-pound braid as the main line. So I'm just gonna hook them right through the leg there, all the way out to the other side. We'll see what's lurking here. See what we can do here. There's something. Oh. There we go. That was kind of odd. What do we have here? A little redfish. Nice. Hopefully he didn't swallow that hook. Oh, he's wrapped up. He's probably a good 16, 17 inches. Let's get him in here. Nice. Good thing he didn't pull us in there. Do a quick measurement on this guy. Hold on, buddy, hold on. Okay, he is 16. All right, too small. Got that fiddler. Oh, come on, buddy. There we go. Just getting it out. There he goes. All right, here we go. Nice little start here. Oh, he's gone. Let's see if we can change our luck with just different style of piling, if you will. I think it's a little bit easier to target in this area. Looks like there's bait sitting all over here. This might be the area. I feel like I'm seeing activity down there. Seems like it's pulling it towards that side. Something's on it. Come on. Come on. This way, this way. Big sheep. Big sheep. Dude, this one's a mondo. This way. He still might get us here. Dude, whooping up on me. There we go. A little bit better. Come on. Man, what a fight here. Come on this way. Dude. Got him. Here we go. Whew, yes. Man, that was a battle. We're gonna bag him. We're gonna take one home. At least one. I'll check him out. Dude, what a fish. Here we go. He is 20 inches. Man, nice one here. It's tough with all these waves. Doing a little bit better on positioning now. Took us a little while to figure it out. Something's on it. There he is. Oh no, he caught me. All right, we're all retied. We're gonna put another fiddler on here. Might even double down. I think there's gonna be another one down there. Something's on it. Heck yeah, dude. Might be. It's a sheep. A little tougher fighting it in these conditions. Come here. Nice, we got him. Heck yeah, dude. A little bit smaller one. Probably gonna bag this guy too. All right. Just don't hop, dude. Oh, we're on the wrong side. There we go. Man, don't mind me. Super googing right now. We are at 15.5, so he's going in the cooler. Let's see here. I want to grab this ice and put it on top. All right, these waves are making it challenging, but I guess that's what makes it worth it, is overcoming these challenges and still being able to get on some fish. Let's see here. Another fiddler going out. I need to get closer over there. I don't know if it would benefit me. Something's on it. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. This way. Yes. Trying to turn, but also get away from the structure. There we go. We got him. Not ready yet. We could loosen a little more drag. Another sheep, good one too. Gotta get this guy up here. Come on, come on. Got him. Yes. Heck yeah, dude. It's another probably 18, 19. Let's measure this fish real quick. Then we'll bleed him out and throw him in the cooler. He is, oh, bigger. He's 20 and a half. Man, this is a nice one. Y'all check this guy out. Man, another one. Get this fish up here in the cooler, and that'll probably be the last one we're keeping. All right, we're gonna keep at it here. We got plenty of fiddlers. I think from here on out, it's all catch and release. He's on it, he's on it. Wait. Man, that was quick. They're stacked up right there. He's going. I'm gonna let you go, dude. It's your lucky day. Look at that. It's wrapped up a little bit there. There we go. Man, this is so fun. Won't even net this guy. There we go, a little bit on the smaller side. All right, come on, buddy. Let's get this hook popped off and we'll let this guy go. We won't even get that camera up front. Go easy, easy. Don't shank me, bro. All right. Talk about a good bite. Y'all check him out. Man, nice little fella. Probably 15, 16 inches on this guy. Thanks, buddy. I think I finally have the bite figured out, and it took me a while to figure something out, but what I'm learning here is that you gotta let them nibble, and then once they have the bait, you'll feel weight on there where they just start swimming off with it. You'll see here, I'm in a bad situation here. See if I can push away. Ooh, I don't like that scrape. Not worried about getting a bite right now. Just he's on it. He had it in its mouth. Oh, he's wrapped. He's wrapped. He's wrapped. Wrapped. Come out, come out, come out. He's double wrapped. Where are you at, buddy? Man, that one, he pulled some tricks on us. Let me loosen the drag because I feel like that line did get chafed a little bit. You're not putting too much on this fish. Let's go forward now. It's a good size one too. Look at this. We are on him here, tearing him up. He's pulling. Come on. Trying to fight the swells, fight this fish, fight the structure. There we go, we got him. Heck yes, dude, what a day. Another one. There we go. Heck yes, dude. We are on them. Let me double check, make sure we're recording. Did a battery swap a little bit ago, and I just have to make sure sometimes, because sometimes I pull a Guggen and not even hit the button. There we go. Hopefully the angle wasn't too terrible. Here we go, man. Nice one, dude. Check him out. Thanks, buddy. Whoa. Nice. Let's pull up over there, man. This is so fun. We'll check our line. He was in the... Man, there's no chafe on the line. Look at that. That's crazy, because I sure felt it rubbing down there. Let's get back at it. Dude, these conditions are not great. But the fish are biting, man. I'm here. Just trying to power through it. There we go. Had to put some glue on my thumb. One of the Sheepshead, I ran my thumb along this gill plate and it gave me a little cut, so figured I'd just glue it shut and temporarily patch it. So that's why there's kind of white crust. That's super glue. Something's on it. Try to go with it here. Heck yeah. There was one there. Try to get him away. Got him up here. Forgot to reset my drag. Man, what a great bite. Let's see here. Dude, this is another nice one. Got him. That was probably the best fight we've had as far as nothing crazy happening, and got him straight to the net. But heck yes, man, what a freaking day. Dude, this one's another, it's probably 19 incher. I might measure him, we'll see here. Not too worried about him flopping off. We're gonna let him go anyway. So he is at 18 inches. Nice one. Alrighty, thanks, buddy. He's gone. There we go. I think he's gonna be there waiting on it. Unless I spooked him. There he is. Nice. Come on this way, buddy. Don't. Come on. I'm actually putting quite a bit of pressure on these fish to get them out of the structure. This one's a good one. Just as long as I can get him away from that structure. There he goes. Oh. And if I have to, we'll put a little more back on him. There he is. Man, this one's good. There he is. Man, beast. That is a jumbo. Oh, wow. Dude, that one is a beast. We're gonna let this guy go. Let's measure him real quick. Just don't hop, dude. Get him here. 20 3/4. Man, this one is fat. Let's get a good photo of him. Don't hop, dude. A little bit better. Man, y'all check him out. Dude, such a nice fish. Alright, buddy, I'm gonna let you go. Man, y'all check him out. Dude, Mondo. Thanks, buddy. There he goes. I think that's where we've gotten most of our bites. I mean, I don't know how many more sheepshead could possibly be in this area. Oh, he's on it. He's on it. It's another solid one here. Feels solid. Come on this way, buddy. There we go. Trying to keep him from going that way. Come on this way. He's fighting. Man. Dude, this is crazy. Dude, look at this. Let's get situated here. Get this fish up, unhook him and let him go. Worst case scenario, you're going in the cooler, buddy. If we can't get this net off of here. I really don't want to keep another one. There we go. We got the hook out. Let's throw this guy in the water. We'll release him up by the piling. All right, here we go. Got a lot closer to the piling. So we're gonna let this guy go. That way if he pops off here, he just flops right over. Y'all check him out. Thanks, buddy. There he goes. Man, what a day. Here we go. That's the spot right here. It's just a matter of fighting the wind, the swells, and trying to stay in the sweet spot here, because that's where these fish seem to be schooled up. Said, I don't know how many there are here. Conditions are trash today too. He's on it, he's on it. He's got weight. He's a good one. He's a good one. He's a good one. He's a good one. That's, there we go. He's off the structure some. There he is. Maybe he's not that big, but he started pulling hard. Man. This is so awesome. Getting on a solid bite today. And I know I keep saying it, but this is so much fun. Yes. There we go. All right, let's let him go. Took us a sec. There he goes. The setup here using a 1/2 ounce bottom sweeper jig. 20-pound fluorocarbon is leader. It's about 3.5, 4 feet long. And then we have a 7-foot medium heavy rod. It's a St. Croix Avid Inshore with a Daiwa BG 4000. 20-pound braid as main line. Okay, here we go, back in position. I think we're gonna get another bite here, hopefully, but we just lost or missed one because I did not wait to feel the actual weight. Felt the nibbles and I did a quick hook set. Come on, not in the best position here. I'm a little far off the structure. It's all based on positioning here. So just trying to get set up. Is he on it? He's on it. Oh man, he was sitting there. He was sitting there with the bait in his mouth. Come on this way, buddy. Man, he had already eaten it. I didn't even feel the taps. Just went to lift up the rod tip and the weight was there. Man, a little bit smaller guy. I'd say smaller, but he's still a good size one. Probably 15, 16. Let's see here. There we go. All right, let's get situated here. Want the nose of that kayak up on the towards the swells, so let's get this dude popped off. Man, we got him too pretty good. Make sure we're not gonna there we go, hook us out. All right, easy there, amigo. There we go. Another one. Heck yeah. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Man, what an awesome day on the water. Couldn't ask for a better bite. Conditions weren't great, but managed to power through it and find some fish today. So appreciate y'all tuning in and watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this one. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, check out my other videos and consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all next time.